welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. My old subscribers, God bless you so good. Okay, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Okay, I focus on luxury, fashion and lifestyle. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be making chin chin, okay, which is part of my lifestyle video. Okay, so chin chin is a Nigerian snack. All right, guys, and I have been craving chin chin because I've been seeing some of my wonderful sisters here on YouTube making chin chin, and I've not made chin chin for a long time, to be honest. I can't remember when last I made chin chin. Okay, so well, I'm just gonna be making chin chin today. I told my my daughter I'm gonna be trying out chin chin today. Okay, and she said, oh mommy, let's go ahead, let's make it, let's see how it turns out. Okay, so guys, let me show you the ingredients I'll be using to make the chin chin. So guys, I have a mixing bowl here, my rolling pin, of course. I have 2 eggs, I have a cup of brown sugar. This is all-purpose flour. I have almond milk, and this is sweetened almond milk. Okay, I have baking powder here and nutmeg. Okay, so I'll be using shortening for this, and this shortening is from Crisco. If you watch my chicken pie video, you already saw this. Okay, so I don't use butter in any of my baking. I don't use butter, I don't use margarine in any of my baking. I prefer to use shortening. Okay, so I'll be using 1 stick of shortening. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead now and mix up all our ingredients, then we can make this chin chin. All right, guys, I have about 5 cups of flour here. Already sifted the flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some baking powder to it. This is my measuring spoon. This is about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, I don't need too much baking powder to this. I'm gonna be adding nutmeg, just a couple of nutmeg to it. Okay, so I'm just eyeballing the nutmeg. So this is a cup of sugar. Okay, that's a cup of sugar. So I'm just going to use my hand and mix this in. Okay, your hand is the best mixer. Okay, so my hand is clean already, guys. All right, clean hands, clean hands, clean hands, just to mix this up. Okay, so make sure you mix properly. So I'm just putting a cup of sugar because I don't want it too sweet. The milk already has some some sugar in it as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add the eggs now and also add the shortening. Okay, yeah, I don't want no eggshell in my food. Okay, so I have to be careful when opening this, cracking up this egg. Right. So again, mix up your eggs with the butter, with the flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up the shortening and also mix the shortening inside the flour. Since I've joined YouTube now, I'm making more recipes than ever before. It's not as if I don't know how to make these things, but I don't really have time for it, but since you are here on YouTube, you have to create content and put content out there, for your viewers to watch. Okay, So guys, I'm trying to, so now we mix, okay? We mix everything now with the egg. Mix it with your hands so properly. So now I'm trying to see if I can buy a KitchenAid mixer, okay? Because I don't have a mixer, okay? So since I'll be doing these recipes from time to time, even more regularly now, so I need a mixer, okay? So hopefully I will get a mixer soon so I don't have to use my hands, you know, to be mixing this, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna mix all this together, you know, and when they get all crumbly, then I'll mix the milk, sorry, the almond milk, and to eat, okay? So guys, I forgot to tell you that eggs are optional in your chin chin. If you don't want eggs in your chin chin, that's fine. You can just use milk or you can use water, okay? But it's very important to use your butter or margarines, but I just use shortening, okay? Because I prefer the outcome when I use shortening than butter or margarine, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna continue mixing. When it's time to add the milk, I will let you know. So guys, I have about 1 cup of the almond milk here, so I'm gonna be mixing it in, okay? So you mix it a little at a time, okay? All right. So you're gonna form a dough now, okay? I can hear my baby singing the Itty Bitty Spider song. Okay guys, I hope I don't get copyright for her singing the spider song. I hope I don't get a copyright, YouTube. So put your liquid until you can form a ball, guys, okay? So if I had a stand mixer now, the stand mixer will help me to do all of this. Okay, so that will be my next kitchen equipment investment that I need to get, a stand mixer. And again, my daughter is so into baking now. She doesn't like the camera, so that's why she's not always here. Unlike the little one that, you know, will always come and show her face, but the big one, she doesn't, so I don't really bother her, you know. But when I'm not filming, she always come around, you know, to see what I'm doing in the kitchen and to help out, okay? I want to get a good kitchen mixer, so I'm looking at getting the KitchenAid or Cuisinart or something like that, okay? So you mix it good, guys, so when you can form a dough like so. All right, I think it's good now. All right, so yeah, that is it. So I'm just going to leave it to rest for a little bit, then we can start cutting it out to make the chin chin. Okay guys, it's time to start rolling, and you know, so I already cut them in small bits, okay? So start rolling now. I like how soft and nice the dough is. You can see. Okay. So I like my chin chin a little thick. Okay, so I think I like it like that. So I'm just going to use my pizza slicer. just slice to whatever size you want to make your chin chin, okay, so that they can fry evenly. Okay, so I have a foil pan here, so I'm just gonna cut the chin chin I cut. I'm just gonna drop them into the foil. Pan, okay. Alright guys, so I continue to do this until we go to the oil and fry it, okay. So guys, this is how much I've done so far. What I did, I took some flour, just sprinkle it on it like so that it will not stick, the dough will not stick to each other, okay. So when you want to fry, it's much easier for you, okay. So I just wanted to show you that in case you make it and it's sticking together, you don't know what to do. All right, so that's what you have to do, okay. So I still have about 2 more or 3 more to go, then I will be done. I'm not making a whole lot, we're trying to watch it in this family. All these things are, it's fattening, and we try not to blow up too much. Okay guys, if you grow up in Nigeria, you will know some of the chin chin, they are made like this, and some are made in cubes, okay. So I just want to make some like this just for fun, to relieve your childhood memories, okay. So I just want to show you how I do mine, okay. So this one I'm gonna braid, this one I twisted, then this other ones I'm gonna braid them, okay. So for the braiding one, please excuse my baby's noise. Just the way like you braid your hair, just put one over the other, okay. So you put the next one over each other like so. Just look at it, okay, just like the way you braid your hair, okay. This one broke, so you have to be careful, otherwise it will break, okay. So I'm just going to continue doing that, and I will show you. So guys, you put a oil in a pan like so, and we'll start frying, okay. So my oil is hot now, so I'm just going to start frying the chin chin, okay. So when you throw one of the dough in, and when it starts bubbling like so, I don't know if you can see it, then you know your oil is hot enough, okay. So you can just start dropping them into the oil. See that flour I sprinkle on it, help for it not to stick to one another, okay. So you start frying it. Chin chin is very easy, very easy to make. All the kids, they love to eat chin chin. Love it. So guys, now don't overcrowd it, okay. So depending on how big your frying pan is, okay, so your chin chin will cook evenly. So you fry it until it is golden brown. So I'll show you when it is golden brown. I will show you, okay guys. So guys, when you see it start floating like so, you know that your chin chin is getting ready. You can put more dough, okay, and you keep frying, and keep stirring it around from time to time, okay. You don't want it to burn, you don't want it to, not to cook evenly. All right guys. Okay guys, After like 10 minutes, you see it's starting to get golden brown. Okay, so guys, if you want it to be, so guys, it is golden brown now. I don't know if you can see it or the light is too much. Okay, this is golden brown. I just put off the light, so you can take it off at this point, or you can continue to stir it around until, you know, if you want it to be more dry. Okay, so I think at this point I'm gonna take it out because I don't want it burnt. Okay, so this is the best, you know, point for me to bring it out. Okay guys, so you continue to do that for the rest of the chin chin until you are completely done. Okay, so guys, this is what the first batch look like, the one I just finished making now. Okay, so I'm just going to sit it aside, let it cool down. Okay, so the second batch is on now, so I'll continue stirring around so it doesn't burn. Okay guys, okay, so I've already started eating already because it's so delicious when it's warm. I already started eating it. Okay, oh my goodness. So guys, this is our final outcome of our chin chin. Looks so good, so good, so delicious. Okay, so this is the other kind I was trying to do, you know, the longer ones. Okay, so this how that one also came out looking good. All right, so there are different ways you can cut your chin chin. You can do this way, or you can also do the this way, cut them in cubes, or you cut them in shapes. You know, there's this one here that came out perfectly. I braided it. Okay, so you can also do your chin chin like that. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Also share my videos with your friends. I will see you again next time. Bye guys.